Whiteboard animations are an incredibly powerful tool in capturing viewers' attention. They offer a unique vibe and can increase your users' engagement considerably. In the past, this type of video required actual drawing skills and a physical camera to capture the drawings. But with the help of a whiteboard animation software, creating your own animation videos can now be super easy. In this video, we would share with you the top 4 best whiteboard animation softwares available on the market, along with the special perks and benefits of each one of them. As always, links to all those sites would be available in the description box below, so make sure to check them all out. Our number 1 pick for best whiteboard animation software is Dudley. Dudley is a desktop animation software that allows you to create whiteboard, blackboard, greenboard, and even glassboard animations. It's extremely simple to use and requires no coding or drawing skills. With Dudley, you can produce high-quality explainer videos for you or for your clients. The creation process is super simple and user-friendly. All you need to do is drag an image of your choice to the software, and Dudley will automatically create a doodle of that image. The software even comes with a built-in Smart Draw feature that allows you to indicate the software how you want it to be drawn in order to make the final result as natural as possible. Dudley offers 2 versions, Standard and Enterprise. Standard comes with a basic set of 400 pre-made doodle assets, while Enterprise comes with over 6,200 unique assets and access to the Dudley Club. Members of the Dudley Club get new doodle assets every month. All of their plans come with 30 days money-back guarantee. With each purchase of Dudley, you also get access to the Dudley private Facebook group, which currently has over 70,000 members who will answer any potential questions you might have. Overall, Dudley is the most comprehensive software in the market currently, with plenty of features that you won't find in any of their competitors, and thus it's our number 1 choice. For number 2, our pick is explaindio. Explaindio is a modern drag-and-drop video creator that allows you to produce stunning whiteboard animation videos without all the usual hassle. Unlike other similar softwares, explaindio comes with the option of producing full motion and explainer videos, in addition to the usual whiteboard animation features. Explaindio provides its users with multiple animation features, over 180 pre-made text animations, 300 font options, and over 200 animated scenes to produce more engaging videos. Our number 3 pick is easysketchpro. easysketchpro is a clean and intuitive whiteboard animation software. You can use it to create any kind of doodle or sketch videos in just minutes. Its biggest advantage is the fact that unlike its competitors, easysketchpro doesn't require a monthly or yearly membership. You can get complete access to it via a one-time payment. It comes with a very well-made and accessible interface that can be used by anyone within hours of learning. It offers plenty of customization options in terms of backgrounds, graphics, and pre-made animations. One of easysketchpro's unique features is the ability to add doodles directly on top of a video. So instead of the usual white background, you could sketch text and drawings on a live video while it's being played. easysketchpro offers 3 different plans: Starter, Business, and Business Pro. In the Starter plan, you get access to all of the main features. However, all the videos you'll make with this plan will have a Made with easysketchpro watermark at the bottom. To remove the watermark, you need to either use their Business or Business Pro plan. Their most premium plan, Business Pro, comes with an additional 12,000 premium images and soundtracks for your free usage. Our number 4 and final pick is Fiverr. While it's not a whiteboard animation software, Fiverr is the best place to get whiteboard animation services, and the perfect solution for those of you who want to create an animation video without doing any of the work involved. You can use it to hire a professional who would produce a video for you in a matter of just a few days. They have a designated category for whiteboard animation, full with over thousands of different available sellers. We left a link to the category page in the description box, so make sure to go there and see if you find a seller you like. Make sure to select the animator after going through their reviews, samples, and years of experience. There are plenty of hidden gems over there. Just make sure you do your homework. That's it from us for now. Got a favorite whiteboard tool? Make sure to let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.